All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1037, McVille case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. McVille, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, Leroy's my husband, and we're divorced, but we're live back together because we're trying to reconcile.
Okay,
but
well that's good.
The problem is he's not working, and we have 3 kids.
Okay, how old are the kids?
5,
What
7.
you mean I ain't working?
Sir, I will give you an opportunity to speak in just a moment.
You see why we're divorced?
But you guys are back together trying to work it out.
Welcome to a courtroom clash where tensions are high and the drama is real. A father insists daycare is just a germ-filled nightmare, while the mother is done letting him call the shots. The twist? This isn't a custody battle. It's all about who foots the daycare bill. He says he shouldn't pay for something he doesn't believe in. She says it's necessary. With a no-nonsense judge presiding, this decision is bound to be fiery. Get ready. Things are about to heat up.
Hey, maybe two days a week or something, but I'm still working. That's working.
2 days a week?
That's something. You spending the money. I'm looking for a full-time job, but
It's
you are
an interesting
I'm
relationship.
making the money. I'm supposed to spend it.
You said
And you
I
guys
wasn't
live.
working.
You guys live together right now.
Well, see, the reason I let him back in is because it's expensive. Child care is expensive. So
Okay.
I just decided.
So
he
let me ask
wanted
the
to try to
question
make it
again.
work.
Let me ask the question again. How old are the kids?
5, 7, and 10.
5, 7, 10. Okay. And you all live together with the kids.
Yes, and he agreed. We talked about it, and he agreed that this would be a good arrangement.
Only
and he
reason I
would.
did that
He would.
because you
Hold on,
trying
one
to-
second, sir.
Finish,
Excuse me.
please.
Excuse me.
Don't talk.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do not talk to him. Sir,
Yes, Your Honor.
do not talk to her, and definitely do not interrupt me, either of you. Understood?
I
Okay.
understand, but now
You will
whether
get
he
your
understands,
opportunity to
different
speak in just a moment. Now,
Yeah.
opportunity to
story.
speak in just a moment. Now,
Yeah.
with the kids, and you're trying to reconcile this thing.
story. Only because of the kids. I didn't
Only
tell
because
him
of the
that,
kids.
but that's
Well,
really,
that's not a bad.
That's
I
really
mean,
my reason.
You know, if you're doing it because you believe it's in the best interest of the children, great. I don't see how that household works with you guys arguing like that, but you know,
I'm
that
trying to
has
save
nothing to
money
do with me.
for child care.
I understand. So, sir, now's your opportunity to speak. Is what she's saying accurate? You all
Basically,
live
Your Honor,
together?
We live together. She right. I came back for the kids, just to help them out. That's the only reason I came back. She ain't telling all.
That's not the only reason. Come on.
What's the other reason I
Ma'am,
come back?
didn't
Oh,
you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Please do not interrupt him.
That's the only reason I come back is for the kids to, she needs. I'm not working full time. She needs somebody to take care of the kids. They are my kids.
What do you
so
mean you're not working full time?
Excuse me.
Oh.
That will be the
I'm
last
working 2
time
days
you
a
have an
week.
Yes,
outburst,
sir.
and that will be the last time you talk to her. And I would just dismiss your case, and you guys can go and work this out somehow.
I'm trying to explain it to her. She keep interrupting me.
Well, explain it to me. We're not. I already told you both. We're not.
All right, here's the deal. Dad's whole argument is basically germs. Yep, he's acting like daycare is some kind of toxic waste zone. But let's be honest, germs are everywhere. His kids are exposed the moment they step outside. The wildest part? He refused to even visit the daycare. How can you trash a place you've never seen? If you won't take the time to check it out, do you really have a leg to stand on? Come on now.
Weeks ago, and
That was a
told
week
her I
ago.
was going. She said, "Go ahead, go." So I went down to Cabo. Well, we get in a big argument over the phone.
What did you go to Cabo for?
I went down there to relax, have a good time, do a little party
Oh,
and stuff.
wow.
You know, I
Okay.
work hard when I ain't working on my job. I'm taking care of the kids, cleaning, mopping the floor, cleaning the bathroom, everything.
Sound
you
like
know?
a good man.
No,
Cooking.
can we stop
I need
this?
a break too. So anyway, I go down there. She think I'm down there cheating on her, playing around on her and stuff. So she get mad, blowing my phone up. I say, well, she cried talking about what's going on. I say, well, what you mean what's going on? I told her I was gonna go to Cabo. She said, go on down there, enjoy yourself. You know, so that's what I did.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I sure did.
Okay,
you know?
well, good.
But she think I was cheating on her down there. You
Okay.
know? Well, I need a break.
Well, you guys are already divorced.
Kids while she trying to work. I'm taking care of kids.
Well, you
know?
all are already divorced. So at this point, you're asking that he be...
Mom just dropped a bombshell. Dad's a full-blown germaphobe, and it wasn't just about the kids. It's actually what helped end their marriage. Now the real drama's coming out. The twist? She's a doctor, out saving lives while he's holed up like he's bracing for the next pandemic. Total opposites, right? It's starting to make a whole lot more sense now.
No, that's not happening. There is no way that he can be placed on child support and the kids live in the same home as him.
So I just need to kick him out again then.
Well, you know, that's
that
up
way
to you.
He'll get a job and I can get some money.
That's up to you on what you all decide to do. But as of today, as for now, legally, I cannot place him on child support and the kids reside under the... Excuse me. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and tell you what I'm going to do.
I'm sorry.
The answer is no to you. No, don't be sorry. Be careful, okay?
Okay.
Now, I've already given you instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
And both of you have deliberately disregarded what I said. You can't get child support and the kids reside in the same home as he, okay?
That's fine. I got my plan already.
So here,
You ain't got no
okay.
plan.
Well, here's the plan for this for today. Do you have any other questions?
Yes.
One. What is it?
Can I kick him out without...
I'm not answering that question. Do you have any other questions in regards to what I said?
Dad says family should watch the kids instead. But here's the real question. Where were these magical family members when Mom actually needed help? Let's not forget, most relatives aren't trained professionals. Daycare isn't just glorified babysitting, it's structured learning and development. Unless Grandma's secretly running an accredited preschool out of her living room, this argument doesn't exactly hold up under pressure. Nice try, though.
It's still legal, like I can just throw his clothes on the curb and then...
Okay, I'll go ahead. I see you came here, excuse me, I see you came here to waste my time. So I'll move.
And there it is. The judge drops the hammer. Both parents are ordered to split the daycare bill, $500 each. Just like that, Dad's stuck paying for something he never even wanted. But here's the kicker. The alternative was child support based on his full income, which would have cost him way more. So yeah, tough break, buddy. But it could have been a whole lot worse.
Your Honor.
No, it's a yes or no. Do you have any other questions about what I just said, about my ruling?
No, I ain't got no question what you said.
Okay, the plan is for you guys to leave my courtroom.
And at the end of the day, the judge's ruling was fair. Split custody, split costs. Let's be real, $1,000 a month for 2 kids in daycare is actually a pretty reasonable deal. So now we have to ask, was Dad truly worried about germs? Or was that just his last-ditch excuse to dodge the daycare bill? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're living for this kind of courtroom drama, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around. Because these cases only get messier, spicier, and more unbelievable from here.